the marketing funnel. Let me ask you a question. Are you currently utilizing a full funnel marketing approach with your organization? Okay, if you just did a big gulp, this is okay. We're going to chat through this so you'll be an expert in no time. And on the flip side, if you are currently using a full funnel approach, let's chat about how your Google Grant will fit into this. As we all know, the digital marketing funnel is all about connecting with the right audience using the right messaging at every stage of their marketing journey. Take this delicious ice cream cone for visual as we chat through the stages. At top of funnel, we're providing quality content to get the user to visit our website to learn more. This is also known as the acquisition layer, and this is where we provide the user with something valuable in turn for their contact information. Middle of funnel is where we nurture our existing leads. So you've acquired all of these new users from top of funnel. Let's get them to love your organization. These people have already been to your website and know your brand. However, they just haven't converted yet. And finally, at bottom of funnel, these users have already been to your website. They're beginning to love what your organization has to offer. Now let's get them to make a donation or become a volunteer. So how does your Google Ad Grant fit into these funnel stages? Well, let's take a look. So at the top of funnel, we have our generic keyword campaigns. When I say generic keyword, this simply refers to any keyword which does not include your brand name. So a few examples would be volunteer at food bank, donate to children's charity, help homeless shelter near me. All of these keywords are going to be users looking and perhaps researching for new organizations to join up with. At this stage, we need to provide valuable content to the user and give them a reason to choose our organization over the other advertisements on the search results page. So this is where we shout our unique sales propositions to let the user know what sets us apart from our competition. Your Google Grant is going to be excellent for this stage because our main strategy is going to be using long tail keywords to find new users to enter the top of funnel. Now, if we take a look at the middle of funnel, we will have our brand keywords, which are keywords that include our brand name. So I'll give you a few examples. If you are Save the Children, a brand keyword might be donate to Save the Children. If you are American Red Cross, a brand keyword would be volunteer at American Red Cross. And lastly, if you are Lifeline Australia, your brand keyword might be Help Australian Lifeline. Users typing in these keywords already know your brand, and they've likely already been to your website, YouTube channel, or perhaps social media pages. The goal here is to give those actively searching for your brand additional value so they go through to your site and convert. So perhaps this looks like more tailored content, your appeal messaging, guides on how to claim a tax-deductible donation, some sort of additional value to get them through to that conversion. When we talk about bottom of funnel, our ad grant actually doesn't have the ability to cover this funnel stage. This group will be those who have high intent to convert but have not made the purchase decision yet. This can mostly be covered by remarketing channels such as social and display. This can also be covered by an email marketing newsletter to those that have given their email details in the top of funnel. The important thing to call out here is that you will need to cover bottom of funnel across other channels for success across your full funnel marketing approach. So let's review. We talked about the key to a successful digital marketing funnel being about connecting with the right audience, utilizing the right messaging at every stage of their marketing journey. Your Google Grant account will capture top of funnel with generic keyword targeting and middle of funnel with your brand keyword targeting. However, it is very important to capture bottom of funnel users with neighboring channels and remarketing efforts to have a successful full funnel marketing approach.